Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 10.2.3 and we are going to select and configure dual monitors. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network and employee in marketing group C is setting up a virtualization environment for software development. To make the system easier to use, they have requested dual monitors. You need to upgrade the marketing 6 computer to support dual monitors. You have purchased a second monitor and placed it in the workspace. The monitor on the left, the video card in the computer currently only supports a single monitor, so you will need to upgrade the video card to support dual monitor. In this lab, your task is to select and install a video card that provides you with dual monitor support for both monitors using a digital connection to the video card. When installing the video card, connect the PCIe power connector to video card. Connect the left monitor to the newly installed video card using an HDMI cable. The new monitor is already plugged into the surge protector. Okay, alright, so let's see what we have. So we'll go ahead and get into the CPU. So we'll select the video adapter, plug it into the port right here. Let's take this to the left. Oops, off this. Alright, so we're gonna plug in the 6-pin PCIe connector. Here. So let's go to the back. And let's scroll up. So we'll go to the cables. Go ahead and select this cable. They plug this in here. Let's turn the back of the monitor and select this cable and plug it into the HDMI port. Now put it back to front and power it on. So we enter into the computer. We are now in the desktop. So we want to go to display settings. We'll select 2. Scroll down. Let's select this. Now scroll up. And select this second monitor and move it over to this area. So we'll go ahead and apply. So let's check answers and see how we do. And everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can reach me out through my email, join my professional membership so that you have access to other videos that are not available here. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.